Welcome students, today we are going to start our lesson number 15 in English grammar. Lesson number 15 is modals. The verbs can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would and must are called modals or modal verbs. They are also called auxiliary verbs. We use them before main verbs. They express different functions such as ability, permission, certainty, request and necessity. We use modals as they are. There are no forms of modals, so we do not need to add s, ed, ing, etc. to them. First we will see the use of can and cannot. We use can to express ability. For example, Betty can solve this sum. We use can to ask for or give permission in an informal way. For example, can I borrow your pencil? Yes, you can. We use can for making an offer or extend an invitation. For example, can I drop you home? Can I request you to come to my birthday party on Sunday? We use cannot in the present tense. The short form of cannot is can't. Take for example, I cannot lift this box. Inability. You cannot borrow my pen. Refusing to grant permission. Uses of could. We use could to express an ability in the past. Let's see for the example, I could bowl really fast when I was young. Megha could speak French when she was in school. We use could in the present tense to express a less positive can. I could come for your annual day function. May come but not certain. Sujata could be late for the test. Might be late but not certain. We use could to express something that may happen in the future, but it is not certain. It is a possibility. For example, if Ruby does not hurry, she could miss the bus. Possibility. The car engine could give us trouble as it is old. Possibility. We use could not to express something that did not happen in the past. Couldn't is the short form of could not. She could not come for the party because she was unwell. He could not play the match because of an injury. Could is more formal and politer than can to ask for permission. Could you pass me the salt? Could you tell me the time? Could is more formal and politer than can to request someone to do something. For example, could you give Deepak this message for me? Could I ask the driver to drop me home? Could is more formal and politer than can to make an offer or extend an invitation. For example, could I help you with your work? Could you lend me your pencil for a short while? Let's see some exercise from the book. I can come with you if you want. Can you allow me to go to Sakshi's house? I cannot go unless Anita comes along. Achal can swim across this river when she was young.